Are you tired of seeing mediocre real estate photos that just don't do justice to the property? Do you think a fancy DSLR camera can take stunning photos? Think again. In this video, Merle will explore whether it's possible to shoot professional-grade real estate photos using just a smartphone camera. Whether you're a real estate agent looking to up your listing game or a budding photographer looking to break into the industry, this video is a must-watch. So grab your phone and join us as we test the limits of smartphone photography and discover just how far it can take us in the world of real estate. Hi, I'm Scott Prokop. Is it possible to shoot real estate photography with a smartphone? It may not be the best option. While smartphones have come a long way in terms of camera quality, they still may not offer the same level of image quality and control as a dedicated DSLR camera. That being said, is it possible to get good results with a smartphone if you have a good eye and use the right techniques? Here are some tips for shooting real estate photography with a smartphone. Number 1, use natural light. If possible, try to shoot during the day when there is plenty of natural light available. This will help you capture clear and vibrant photos. 2, use a wide-angle lens. Many smartphones come with a built-in wide-angle lens, which is perfect for capturing large spaces like rooms and outdoor landscapes. Wide angle is a must, especially with little bathrooms and tight spaces. You will find quite a few of them. 3, edit your photos. There are many apps available that allow you to edit and enhance your photos, such as adjusting the lighting, color, and contrast. Color is the hardest, getting the color right. Here are 4 editing apps that you can use to enhance your real estate photos on your phone. 1, my preferred favorite, Adobe Lightroom. It's a powerful photo editing app with a range of tools and filters. 2, Snapseed. Developed by Google, this app offers a wide range of editing tools and filters. VSCO, a popular app with filters and editing tools to help create professional-looking photos. Canva, hugely popular. It's an app that allows you to add text and other design elements to your photos, useful for creating promotional materials or social media posts. These apps offer free versions with basic editing tools, so you can try them out and see which one works best for you. Number 4, use a tripod. You need to stabilize your camera to help prevent blurry photos. 5, turn on the grid lines if you can. This will help you compose your shots more effectively and ensure that your photos are straight and level. Ultimately, the quality of your real estate photos will depend on your skill and capabilities of your smartphone. If you're serious about real estate photography, it may be worth investing in a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera to give you more control over your images and produce higher quality results. Most realtors use their phones for their listings, and that's okay, but I always recommend a professional real estate photographer. First of all, professional real estate photographers have the equipment and the expertise to capture high quality images of your property. They use professional grade cameras, lenses, as well as advanced lighting techniques to ensure that every detail of your property is captured as its best. This is especially important when it comes to showcasing your property online, as low quality or poorly lit photos can turn potential buyers or renters off. Professional real estate photographers also have the skills and expertise to highlight the best features of your property and make it look as appealing as possible. Again, experience. I've been doing this a long time. It's a dance for me. You just know which angles work. Beyond the angles, the lighting, the composition. You want to create visually appealing photos that showcase the property in the best light. This can make a huge difference in how your property is perceived by potential buyers or renters, and can help get a higher price or more interest in your property. In addition, professional real estate photographers know how to edit and process their photos to make them look even better. They can remove distractions, fix blemishes, and enhance the colors and overall look of the photos to make them look more appealing. This can be especially important if you're showcasing your property online, as photos that look professional and polished are more likely to grab the people's attention and make them want to learn about your property. In conclusion, using a professional real estate photographer is a smart choice when it comes to showcasing or selling your property. If you follow the simple tips in this video, you can also get great photos of the property from your phone. Do you have any questions or advice? Leave them in the comments below. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask me a question. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Found this video useful? Make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more real estate photography related videos. Thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. See ya.